Hi there. If you go to your favorite search engine and you type in the words Grok, you will have a link to an AI platform created by the owners of X, formerly called Twitter. You can click on Grok, and then inside of Grok, what you can do is if you already have an existing Twitter account, you will be able to log in. Grok is free to use, even though it does have its own premium platform. Once you get to Grok, what you can do is you can sign in to Grok. If you have an X account, you can use it or use your Google or Apple account. Once you log in, you'll have access to the Grok platform. You'll then see in the bottom right-hand corner, you can click on this element which will explain the paid programs. And from this page, you will see a basic plan which is free. You will also see a paid plan. You can either pay monthly and/or annually. Now, Grok is like other AI platforms, even though its foundation is a different set of AI tools. When you click the drop-down arrow, you can choose to enable search so that Grok can browse the web, or you can disable search. You can also use the advanced search and reasoning or deep search. Inside of Grok, you will see if you use the drop-down menu. There is deep search, and there's what Grok calls deeper search. You will also see that you can enable Grok to allow a thinking process so that Grok takes its time. Through your request, we are going to place in our query and enable deeper search. We are then going to click enter, and the deeper search, Grok will show you its process in real time. The process is not instantaneous. It will take time for Grok to undertake what is basically an agentic search, which is multiple processes happening at the same time. We're going to stop the video here, and we're going to pick it up from Grok completing the process. Grok will then complete its process. You can then copy to your favorite word processing software. You can also share a link with other individuals by clicking this area. What you'll notice is that at the end, Grok will include what it considers to be key citations. So instead of just giving you an entire list of all of the websites it used, it does synthesize those websites to be the ones that are going to be important to you executing on your request. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.